do a medicine rolling ball push-up from your knees, this is how you would modify this movement in order to make it easier so that you can slowly gain strength in your upper body without putting too much pressure on your wrists or upper body if you're still building strength in push-ups in general. From the side, this is the main difference between the two movements, is how your body is framed in its proper form. You're still going to be rolling the medicine ball between your hands, between push-ups. The main purpose is that when you get into a push-up position, you should not be bent at the hip. You want to make sure that your knees are back so that you're almost rocking on your knees, and push your hips in so that when you do complete the push-up, your hips are in. From the front, it's going to look like this. Rolling medicine ball push-up from the knee.